Amaechi Kelechi Justine is my name. I work for Community Conciliation and Development Initiative, a civil society organization based in the Niger Delta here. We work on issues around governance, policy, and social accountability. As the Executive Director of Community Conciliation and Development Initiative, I initiate and also organize, mobilize other critical stakeholders in the tax ecosystem to deliberate and find ways to either reduce or eliminate multiple and illegal taxation in the Niger Delta. And we're doing this with other interest groups who are either civil society or business membership organizations. All these are critical stakeholders within that the business ecosystem. We're able to mobilize and bring them together to organize against multiple and illegal taxation in Rivers State with the support of PIND. For us, we are the center of mobilizing and galvanizing support against illegal and multiple taxation within the region. Our partnership and collaborative effort with PIND has been an exciting one because, PIND has a big platform. Their reach is quite broad within the Delta here. It enables us to penetrate deeper than we couldn't have done if we were working just by ourselves as civil society organizations in Rivers State. So strengthens our advocacy against multiple and illegal taxation within the region. Research is done by even PIND, the Rivers State Tax Justice and Governance Platform, and government agency like SMEDAN. All the research reports quite stated that multiple taxation has been a clog in the growth of small businesses, particularly smallholders, farmers, and the nano businesses in this region. So we felt that it was important to tackle this clog in the wheel of progress of businesses. Fighting this hydra-headed challenge of multiple and illegal taxation in the region would help reduce poverty and at the same time conflict in the region. It's been quite challenging because I would say that the initiative, the intervention is an emerging one, and when you're advocating around issues like taxes, it takes longer time for you to begin to see very tangible and measurable results. But I would say that we're creating awareness. Most stakeholders are beginning to talk about the dangers of illegal taxation and illegal and multiple taxation as it affects small businesses in the Niger Delta. And we've also seen government, state actors beginning to adjust their framework. Significant difference working with PIND was that they allowed us have a voice. It was a kind of a collective impact or collective action process. So it was participatory, more participatory. We as the other civil society actors were allowed to also influence how we want this to go, the methodology, for this engagement. And that way we had that, sense of ownership, to drive. And we were the drivers who were put, at the front seat, the driver's seat to drive the intervention. So that stood out for us. And they also contributed some funding, resources to this and made it happen. They also used their network to reach some of the critical stakeholders that we needed to be in that roundtable and the research validation exercise we had with them. Working with PIND now, we're also planning to have a regional conversation around multiple and illegal taxation in the Niger Delta. The usual challenges where state actors are not quite receptive of conversations around fiscal accountability or responsibility. They are a bit slow in accommodating your views, but lately they are beginning to see that the state is losing revenue and also inability of the state to implement its budget. So I think the way we've approached it is to make the state see that it is also to their benefit that the taxes are harmonized, the taxes are reduced, and those that are illegal are stopped. So there is a paradigm shift now, at least from the private sector, and the state too is beginning to listen. Being able to bring all the diverse stakeholders together is something that is remarkable and should be celebrated. If you digitize the system, it reduces or eliminates the human face-to-face interaction that gives room to, this illegal and multiple taxation. And it's easier for people to really know what they need to pay. But it's not like our job is done yet. We're still engaging, and we will strengthen that process to make it more seamless and probably harmonize the taxes and reduce them. I think our other goal is to reduce the number of taxes and expand the tax net. Instead of having multiple taxes, why not harmonize them and allow more people to be able to pay taxes? When you use technology and you're able to widen the tax net, having more people to pay, you get more. We had advocated for strengthening of the tax framework in Rivers, and just last Wednesday, the Rivers State Internal Revenue Service has launched a USS code that makes it seamless for small businesses and citizens to pay taxes. And that's something that featured prominently in our advocacy acts from government. So that's an achievement for us. We are grateful to 𝐵IND. We've been working with them for quite some time now, and it has been quite productive and profitable because the results are beginning to emerge. So with the support of 𝐵IND, we've had a number of advocacy engagement with state actors. We've had the roundtable and validation exercise on the research they did, and that has also motivated us to carry out some other research to continue to review that space.